It's been a minute since I did a huge unboxing like this. And I mean, this is huge. This package itself is bigger than my entire table. Guys, I haven't done a package unboxing, like I said, in months. But these last couple days was kind of like an influx of crazy packages. So I just figured, let's open them all up at once and see what we've got. And I'm honestly not sure where to start. I guess since this is the last package standing, let's start with this. I don't know if I ordered it. I don't know if it was sent to me. But, let's see. Oh, I did order this. Okay. Check it out. So this is a pair of sneakers from an independent brand. And it is the Judah 1. So this is actually a brand that was started by Orlando Magic player Jonathan Isaac, or Jonathan Judah Isaac apparently. He created a sneaker brand called Unitas. And this is not his first sneaker that he's dropped, but it's like the first low top, or one of the first low tops. So I'm really excited to check it out. This was not sent to me. I actually bought this with my own money because I was just really interested. In front of the box, you've got the line of Judah, it looks like, and then Judah 1. Not bad. Not bad from an independent brand. Let's go. So Jonathan Isaac is a Christian, and I believe his brand is designed to be a Christian sneaker brand, which is pretty cool. I think there's a Bible verse in the back. It says Romans 8:31. I think each colorway has a different Bible verse. I'm not actually sure what Romans 8:31 is. Let me see. What then should we say to these things? If God is for us, who can be against us? I did know that one. I just didn't know it was that particular verse, Romans 8:31. This is honestly a pretty clean pair of sneakers. So I think I bought this pair for like it was like 2 months ago, I'll be honest with you. I think it's been sitting in my office for a while. I think it was like $120, $140, something like that. But I know it wasn't a terrible price. I think it's competitive with the other sneakers out there. And I'm really interested to try this sneaker on, see how it fits, see how it feels. Maybe even ball in the shoe a little bit with what little ball that I do. And see if Unitas is a legit dope brand. I mean, the sneaker looks good. It looks just as good as all of the other basketball sneakers in the market that are in this sort of price range. You've got a white traction pattern, at least on this colorway. You've got black around the midsole, and then you've got this really cool, I think, lion texture on the heel tab, and you've also got Judah 1. There have been 2 basketball players that I know of recently, actually 3 if you count Kyrie, but 2 basketball players that I know of recently that have completely started their own brand from scratch. Jonathan Isaac being one of them. And then also you have Jaylen Brown starting his own brand. Right here, 741, which I actually really like this shoe as well. They did send me this pair, so this pair was seeded to me. So shout out to Jaylen Brown and his team for sending this pair my way. Let me know in the comment section down below which one of these new brands you actually like the best. Do you like Unitas? Do you like 741? Let me know in the comments. I'm not sure where to go from here because we've got a lot of packages. Let's go with this one actually. So this, as you can see, is a Starlink. So I actually bought this because I have a tech channel where I review tech, similar to how I review sneakers, except it's all tech. And the Starlink is the next thing that I'm reviewing. I actually just finished reviewing the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I'm actually currently reviewing the Lenovo Legion Go S. So if you guys want to check that out, see this review and all the other reviews that I've been dropping recently, make sure to check out the channel, linked in the description below. I have a blast over there. If you guys like tech at all, please check it out. I'd really appreciate it. We actually just hit 100,000 subscribers, so that's awesome. But this is something that I've really wanted to try for a lot of different reasons. One, because it's just cool new tech, and also because I'm going on a couple road trips this year, and it's so hard for me to upload videos from hotels because you never know what the internet's going to be like. And this is a Starlink Mini, so this should allow me to upload videos really from the road, which is cool. I got the Roam plan. There's 2 different plans. There's the Roam 50 gigabyte plan and then the Roam Unlimited plan. The 50 gigabyte plan I think is $50 a month. Obviously, you do have to buy this $500 Starlink dish, which is, you know, it's not the cheapest thing in the world. And then if you want unlimited, I think it's $165. But I already have unlimited at home and on my phone. So I'm just going with the 50 gigabyte plan because I'm not planning to upload like a bunch of videos, just, you know, a video here and there, or send content to my editor or whatever the case may be. So I just want to be able to upload and download big files without any issues and relatively quickly. So that's why I grabbed this and I'm going to review it. Bro, it's like every pull tab in the world just hates me. I don't know what it is. All right. This is so stupid. Let's see it. So here are the instructions. It looks like you've got power cable. I do actually have an external battery pack, so that's what I'll use to charge this. You got some sort of mount right here, and a, looks like the power thing right here. Let's see what the actual Starlink Mini looks like. All right, not too shabby. It's a lot smaller than I expected. So I can just kind of set it like this on the top of my car when I'm stopped and upload and download videos, which is amazing. You've also got your cables right here, and I think there is a router built into this. Am I wrong? I'm not totally sure. I'll have to read the instructions. But yeah, if you guys want to see how it goes with the Starlink, whether this works for me, whether it doesn't, make sure to subscribe to my tech channel, linked in the description below. And again, if you want to see other things like my Lenovo Legion Go S review, or my Samsung Galaxy S25 review, or my MSI Claw 8 AI Plus review, check it out. Seriously, I'd really appreciate a sub from you guys on that channel if you're interested. All right, so next up, we've got, I think, a pretty hyped up pair of sneakers. If this is the pair that I'm thinking of, I believe this is a pair that I bought from possibly GOAT, I think. So this is a pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows. This is the, well, you guys will see in a second, actually. GOAT authenticity card, Air Jordan 1 medium olive. So this is actually a pair that I'm giving away. And the reason I bought this pair from GOAT is because, I don't know if you guys saw my video where I compared GOAT, StockX, eBay, and Poison, but in that video I bought 3 different pairs of Travis Scott's. Should have been 4, but there's only 3. Watch the video to find out why. And the pair from GOAT was a little bit odd. And so I took it to a sneaker store. They said they wouldn't have bought it. And then I had it authenticated at a couple different places. And then I talked to GOAT and was like, yo, this pair's a little weird. And they're like, fine, it's authentic, but we'll take it back. So they did. And then they gave me credit. And I used that credit to buy another pair, which I'm going to give away to one of you guys. So the way the giveaway works is actually by signing up for Core, which is linked in the description below. Originally, the way the giveaway worked is that there was 3 badges and you had to collect all 3. And then the final badge, they were all free. And then you had a chance to enter this pair of shoes, but unfortunately those badges flew. I didn't realize they were gonna go that fast. I didn't realize we were gonna need more badges, but those free badges are all completely gone. Unfortunately, there's still a 3rd badge coming out soon, but you do need all 3 in order to get the final Core badge. However, if you wanna sign up for Core memberships, which is my membership platform now, where if you guys wanna see exclusive content, or maybe just support the channel, or vote on new videos, or see videos early, you guys can check me out through Core by signing up using that Core badge down below. Not only that, if you sign up, you get access to every giveaway that I run, plus giveaways for only paid members. So this pair is for free members and for paid members. And then I've also got another pair which I'm giving away. This pair right here, which is only a giveaway for paid members. So if you guys want a chance to win one or both of these pairs of sneakers, make sure to check out Core, linked in the top of the description below, and support the channel. You can check out videos early, get exclusive content over there. It's a blast. I do giveaways every month, and I'd really appreciate if you guys checked it out. Even if you don't want to support through memberships, you can sign up for Core using that link down below and just enter the community. Join the chat. We chat over there a lot. We have community posts. It's great. It's a blast over there, so check it out if you guys want. But again, this is the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 low. This is obviously a pair from Korea because you got the Korean tag right there. It looks good. It looks legit to me. I have no issues with GOAT's legit checking, so I'm certain this is legit, and it's going to one of you guys. So check it out. Links in the description below. Actually, also, let me know what your favorite Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 low is. Personally, my favorite, I think, is the Fragment ones, but this is actually pretty close up there too, to be honest with you. All right, let's continue on. We've got 2 packages from the same place, so we'll open these guys up. Let's start with, let's go with this one. This one, based on what it looks like a pair of sneakers, and it could actually be a lead-in to this larger package. So I'm gonna start with this one, and then we'll get into the larger package and see what it is. I think I know what it is because I got an email about it recently, and I just got this package show up on my door, and it seems like it ties in with the email based on the size of the other package. Yes, this is definitely what I thought it was. Okay, so inside the box, we have got a pair of LeBrons. LeBron. Somewhat well-known teammate of Luka Doncic. I don't know if you guys are familiar with LeBron, but he's apparently pretty good at basketball. So on the top of the box, you've got the LeBron line. You've got Monopoly, because this is actually a Monopoly collaboration. And then you've got the LeBron James edition. Kind of cool. The paper has Monopoly money all over it. So I'm pretty sure this sneaker dropped like months ago, but the promo package that I got literally just showed up. The LeBron 22 Quick Strike Monopoly edition, with Monopoly money all over it. It's actually pretty rad. I'm not gonna lie. You've got LeBron, I think that's LeBron's signature on the back, kind of embroidered in. That's a really cool detail. Or not embroidered in, but it's like a thread that's kind of like done in his signature. That's actually sick. I don't know what this is. Oh, it shows some of the design sketching and some of the 3D CAD for the shoe. Here's the other one. The LeBron 22. It looks like it is different actually. The outsole is a different color. I actually kind of dig this, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty dope. Oh, that's cool. I just noticed this. You've got the Monopoly money logo inside that little jewel right there. That's actually really sick. Now, I don't know if they're still available. I would assume that they maybe not this colorway. I know they dropped a couple different colorways. I actually don't know if this is one of the more limited colorways or if it's not. I'm not too familiar with all the pairs that dropped. But let's pop open this giant box and see what we've got. Here we go. So here's the giant box. I'm actually building a studio shed in my yard, and that's going to be really helpful for stuff like this that are just way too big for a room filled with crap. Oh, it is what I thought that it is. You guys may or may not be able to see what that says. I think it says Monopoly on the top, and I think this is like I'm pretty sure it's like a $2,000 Monopoly board. Or at least it's reselling for $2,000. I'm not gonna resell it. I'm gonna keep it and honestly probably use it because I love Monopoly. Okay, I'm having trouble. It's too big for my ceiling. All right. So stupid. So on the top you've got Monopoly. Does it say anything? It's got LeBron's logo. It's got a signature. On the side you've got Monopoly. I think this is like a pretty huge thing. I really don't break this. This is the most insane thing I've ever seen. A giant wooden LeBron James themed Monopoly board. I have a lot of gems to give, but I think it has to be spread across time and along the whole tier of when they're growing up and not just give it to them all at once. LeBron James. All right. Not totally sure what that means or what it's in reference to, but I'm assuming something to do with his kids. What's cool about this is that this is one of those things that I would be too afraid to spend the money on. Like, I'd be too afraid to spend the $2,000 on, but if I did, I'd be really excited about it. So I'm like incredibly thankful to, I guess it was LeBron. Shout out to LeBron. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing actually. Holy crap. It's wood. This is a wooden Monopoly board they just sent me. Oh my gosh, look at that. You know, on the front, you've got LeBron's logo in metal. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Wow, the details on this are ridiculous. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look, there you go. You got the LeBron James logo right there. On one side, it says the James family. Wow, look at the board itself. Oh, the railroads are his championships. It says World Champions 2020, World Champions 2016, World Champions 2013, World Champions 2012. I'm certain that these roads have significance to his family. Probably something to do with where he played in different areas. You've got the timeout zone right there, which is super cool. You got not by chance, which is cool. And then family trip spending, pay $100. This is so sick. The middle is leather right there. So crazy. And then I believe the game pieces are inside. Look at this, they're drawers. So you've got where you put the money is a basketball court. Insane. And then the game pieces, it looks like a basketball. You got the LeBron 22s in blue. The LeBron 1s right there. You got, oh nice, a championship ring that says LBJ. You got his jersey. Oh, the lion head. Bro, this is crazy. And then what's this? These are the game instructions, gameplay guide. You've got gold and clear dice. Bro, what is this? And then you've got the different cards talking about what's good. I do feel like I have to play it now. I feel like the only way to do this justice is to actually legit sit down with the family, get some LeBron James vibes going, throw on some highlights, and play some Monopoly. On this side, we do have the money. All LeBron James themed. I can't wait to show my wife this. This is crazy. I can't, like seriously, this is nuts. My wife loves games. Wow, the houses are LeBron, I'm assuming hotels actually, are LeBron James logos, all metal. This is truly the most insane game board I've ever seen. Well, the thing that I'm gonna open up next is like not as crazy as this. I wish I had saved this for last. I have nowhere to put this right now, so I'm gonna put this just on the box back here. It's just, my studio's a mess. Now let's open up the final package, which now just doesn't seem as exciting. I'm gonna be real with you. But it is. It's still exciting. So inside this box is an early pair of sneakers that doesn't release until I think March 18th. And I'm really excited to review. Really, really excited to review. I bought this from Bird Kicks on Instagram. I bought a lot of pairs of sneakers from him. And here it is. You guys know what it is just from the box? Let me know in the comments. Size 9. My true size. Man, the box is the same as the one from 2023, I think. But it looks like it's the same box. Yeah, it's right there. Same box as the one from 2023. Very cool. Let's pop the top. You got some speckle paper. Just pull these guys out. Let's just pull them out. Here they are. Wow. The Nike SB4, or the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 in navy. Looking fresh. So I've got a review coming for these. Probably, definitely after this video, but I don't know how soon after this video, probably a day or two. Man, these are crazy. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, so you can see as soon as that video drops. Dang, bro, these are clean. These are clean. Now the question is, do I like these as much as the originals? Side by side, it's tough. I guess it just really depends on whether you like blue better or green better. Maybe not even that, because I like blue better than green, but I think I might like this pair better just because it's different. Like, there's not a lot of 4s that look like this. It's not exactly the same as the military blue 4s, but it's close-ish to the military blue 4s. But it does have a gum outsole. Blue is darker. You've got Nike SB on the heel. There's no extra laces, it looks like, and there's no hang tags either, actually, which I'm surprised by. I guess this one didn't have any either. The leather actually feels really nice. So I watched a video by Rosanville. Apparently, according to him, because he cut this particular shoe open, he said that all the leather on the Nike SB Air Jordan 4s is actual leather. Now, a lot of Air Jordan 4s, they use synthetic leather on the eye stays and other parts of the shoe, but on this shoe, it's all real leather. Seems like that's the same on this pair, at least based on initial feel. And the leather itself feels decent. It's kind of soft, it's kind of plush, it's slightly tumbled. You've got suede on the toe area, which I really like. You've got a gum outsole, which I also don't mind either. I like gum outsoles a lot. The blue is very, very clean. I really like this pair a lot. Now, from what I've heard, it seems like the red pair could be a friends and family exclusive, which would be just a huge bummer, but it seems like that could be the case. But even if it is, I don't know, I'm happy with the blue pair. I think I prefer the blue pair to the red pair. But you guys might disagree. Let me know in the comments. I actually really, really like this a lot. Now, I paid a lot for it. I'm not going to tell you guys because it's embarrassing. It's not embarrassing. It was a lot of money. I mean, these go for a decent amount. It's to give you guys an early review. So with that being said, if you guys want to support the channel, make sure to sign up for core memberships to help reimburse me a little bit for these shoes. But again, that's what resale is. It's not like Bird was charging me over what they're going for. That's literally what they're actually, I think they're going for like $800. So he might even cut me a deal, I'm not sure. But hey, on that note, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Stay tuned for the review of the Nike SB Air Jordan 4s. Once again, huge thank you to everyone who sent me stuff, specifically LeBron. Shout out to LeBron. If you ever want to play like 2K or Madden, I'm free whenever you want, LeBron. Just shoot me a message. Also, make sure to check out my tech channel. But as always, thank you again for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.